Hi viewers, welcome to mycpatraining.com. Vaishipon here. In this web design tutorial, I will show you how you can solve double image problem for WordPress and for Oceanwp theme. This is a normal post. I set here a featured image and same image I set on the post. And when featured image is showing on post, the post is showing double. We have to solve this problem. I will show you how we can solve this problem. This is very easy, simple format for Oceanwp theme. You have to go to your website WordPress admin panel and you have to go to appearance, customize, and from here you have to go to blog, single post, and see here is showing elements for single post. You have to disable this one. I am clicking here this eye icon, and now featured image is disabled for single post, publish. And now if I refresh the post, see here is showing only one image which I have inserted on the post. Now I think you can fix the double image problem for WordPress or Oceanwp themes. If you like my tutorials, please subscribe my channel, like and share with your friends. Thank you.